welcome back. So for this topic we are dealing with compound interest. So it says that Arcane invested $8,000 at a rate of 6% per quarter for 4 years. How much is the total for the investment? So the fact that this is compound interest, we have to deal with the formula, which you would have seen at the beginning of the video, which says P interest rather, or A, is equal to P times 1 plus R over N, close bracket, N, T. Now, in this formula, A is the final amount that you will get. P is your principal, or the amount invested or loaned. 1 is just 1. R is the rate. So the R rate in this case is always divided by 100. So the rate must always be in a decimal form when it's being placed in the bracket. N, that is the amount of times the money is compounded each time per year. Or the amount, yes, of time the money is compounded each year. Is it 1 time, 2 times, 4 times, 6 times? How much amount? N up here is the same thing. T is the amount of time the loan is being used for. So let's work out the question now. So A is equal to this. So P is principal, so that's 8,000. Open bracket, 1 plus R. So this is 6%, so it's 6 divided by 100, and that gives you 0.06. So that's 0.06 over N. How much time is it compounded? The fact that it says per quarter, it means 4 times. So quarter means 4, semi-annually means 2, yearly means 1, and daily means 365, and so forth. But we are looking at this one that says per quarter, so that means 4. So that's 0.06 divided by 4. So N up here is 4 automatically. Now time, how many years? 4. So that means 4 times 4. Now you generally work out what's in the bracket first. So that's 8,000, open bracket, 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4. So that's divided by 4 gives us 0.015. And 4 times 4 gives us 16 for the index. So now when you get to here, you will just add this and work out what it is to the index. The index, remember, it means that you are supposed to multiply what's in the bracket by itself this amount of times. And with calculators nowadays, you can just simply put in the answer and raise it to the 16th power. So I'm going to just put in that in my calculator and write the answer. So 1 plus 0.015 gives us 1.015. So I'm going to put in 1.015 raised to the 16th power. And that gives 1.268985548. Now, generally when you get to this step, you do not round off. Because if you round off, it will leave off some of the monetary value. So you generally write out all of the values that comes up on the calculator, and then in the next step, you just simply multiply these two together. So 8,000 times the answer that you got. So times 8,000. And that will give us $10,151.88. So after you multiply these, you will round off the decimal part of your answer to the nearest 2, because money is in cents and cents are only 2 digits. Now, that's part A. Part B now says, what is the interest on the investment? So note, this is saying what is the interest on the investment, because this here is the total amount of money overall with the principal plus the investment. So now for you to find only the interest, you will just say, so interest I is equal to the amount minus the principal, or the amount that was invested. So I is equal to the amount, which is 10,151.88 minus the investment, which is 8,000, which is equal to $2,151.88 or 88 cents. So now you realize that this is the entire method for calculating compound interest. So if it's just the amount that you need, you will stop here. But if you are trying to find the interest on the loan, you must go and subtract the principal from the amount that you earned overall. So thanks for watching and tune in again